This is Jeremy in Tucson, Arizona with Fiber Laser Cells, CNC machining. I'm going to be cutting some 1-inch steel. We do fiber laser cells. We do installation, on-site installation, sales, warranty. We also work with banks that do financing. Give us a shout, 520-500-7454. All our machines are heavy duty. This is our 6 kilowatt, 5 foot by 10 foot. Here we go. Again, that's Jeremy, fiberlasercells.net, 520-500-7454. Give us a shout. It's our 6 kilowatt, 5 foot by 10 foot. All our machines come with industrial grade components, water chiller, 16 kilowatt or 22 or 37 kilowatt air compressor, rotary screw air compressor, exhaust fan, on-site installation, 2 to a 3-year warranty. 520-500-7454 or fiberlasercells.net. We also sell press brakes, tube lasers, all that. 520-500-7454 or visit us at fiberlasercells.net.